Welcome on everybody. So today we're there at Flat Bridge. We're going to go into the water with the drone so you can see underneath the water.
You there at Flat Bridge?
A mermaid.
I want to see this. Hold on, and gone with the drone. I like the drone though. I forgot to get one of them.
Get eyes on the wall. Alright, so we have eyes on the wall now.
But class see wall eh? Wall.
And now we're going to submerge from this point on.
Alright.
People, so footsteps under the water, you know.
Oh my God, I'm my ancestors them.
See there? Footsteps under the water, people.
Cockafort.
You know what that means?
Go back quick and see.
Hold on.
Something on there.
It move too fast. If I try to go in the settings and turn it down. I don't even know somebody now. How about that?
How about that?
How about that?
I want to know.
Bomba!
How about that in the water?
Bomba! Come up out of the water, quick!
No.
Quick! Come on!
What that know when I'm mermaid?
Yeah.
Father.
Wanna see that? Wait now, come up.
No, make them
Wait,
capture
wait
you,
there.
you know.
Oh, wait there.
No. Oh, over there, sir. Alright, good.
So wait. So we reach over this so fast.
That more I know. Stop recording, look a bit there.